Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create your first project on Runway ML. Now the point we're actually trying to do is we're trying to remove the background from a video, for example. So the first thing you need to do is that you log into your Runway ML with your credentials, and once you're in, then you're going to do to create is this. It should be in your dashboard. It's your dashboard. Then you left, you scroll down to see create, then click on all tools. And here you can see what you need to create. Let's say I want to remove the background, so I click on background removal. So once you click on that, so you can now decide to name it here. So you name it, and then you can decide to select the desired AI model you want. This is for private places, for shared projects. So this is green screen, this is max span. These are the features you have. You have share, export, done max. You can also watch a tutorial or skip it. Is where you want to upload. You click here to upload, or you drag and drop it here. You put it here. You can filter it by this. Then this is for the project, like I said. You can edit the name or whatever. Go to reset and upgrade. So after uploading, dragging and dropping a video file into the workspace or uploading it from your device, just because it supports various file formats for seamless editing, they have to select the green screen model from the. So you select the model. Right now I'm using beta. Now I don't think I can use more than beta since I'm using the free version. So you're supposed to select the green screen model from the library, then adjust the parameters to refine the background removal process, and then preview the results in real time. Then once you're done, you export. So you click export to save the edited video, choose the format and quality settings for your output file. It's as simple as that.